Good morning. I'm about to have some Folgers classic roast coffee because that's my first thing that I like to drink when I first wake up. And let's open this up. It comes with this aroma seal. This is a 48-ounce container. It has this easy to hold handle. My favorite part is opening it up. You see that? It's vacuum sealed and smells delicious. Folgers is my favorite brand of coffee, and I just love it because it just smells so robust and it has such a perfect classic flavor that I just love. The grounds are just perfect. Let me show you a close-up. Now we're going to put the coffee into the coffee maker and pour the water in. And now we just turn the on-off switch and wait. So now our coffee is ready. Smells good. Delicious. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Thank you for watching and hope you found this helpful.